Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday, January the 12th, 2021. We have here only one regular Sudoku. Yes, a Sudoku Medium. And in this newspaper, there's also an additional with extra Sudokus with 8 extra Sudokus. But first, we will solve this baby, a medium Sudoku. Yes, and today the lockdown will continue for 3 extra weeks, and this week is the fourth week of the lockdown. Yes, the fourth week. So we need to uh, wait for 3 more extra weeks. Then the lockdown will finish. I hope so. Anyway, I'm very sad today to hear this news today. Alright, Sudoku Medium, and this will be number 2149. And as you know, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me count these digits. 4 plus 2 6 plus 3 is 9, 10, 11, 15, 17. 17 plus 5 is 22, plus 4 is 26 printed digits. So if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars, this will be a 2 stars Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. How about A2 in this column, A2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see there 2. We see here 2 also, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Then let me see. Yeah. 5. How about the 4 in the third column, the 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 4 should be here. Yeah. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 8. We see here 3 and 8 in the second row, so no 3 and 8 in those 2 boxes. The 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Because I cannot fill this yet. Right away. How about the other pair in this big square? Those 2 numbers should be the 9 and the 7. We see here 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 9 goes there. We have a 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And then 1. How about 3, 1, 3, 8? Um, yes, 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Alright, alright. Let me think. The 9 in the last row, the 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 9 should be here. Then 8, 8. 5, 5. Yeah. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 7. Then 6 in this column, third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for a 6 should be there. 6, wait, 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So in the middle row, the row between, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So in the column between, the middle column, the only place for a 6 should be here. And all the 6's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this column. 2 of those missing numbers are in this big square, the 2 and the 4. So the 2 and the 4 cannot be in this box. The 2 and the 4 goes in those two boxes. Let me mark those two boxes. 2 and the 4. So 1 digit left in this column for the number 1. 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. Then 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 8 and 3. 8 and 3. Let me mark those two boxes. So we have an 8 in one of those two boxes in this row, 8 in the last row, so the row between. The only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 1. 3 and 1. Let me mark those two boxes. Now we have an 8 there, so this cannot be 8 anymore. This box should be an 8, and this should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this cannot be 3 anymore. This should be a 3, and this should be a 1. 1 box left in this row for number 1. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 5 and 4. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. These two boxes in the second column should be for the numbers 1 and 9. 1 and 9. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Then. How about yeah. 4, 5, 5. Yes, 5 in this row, 5 in the third row. So the row between, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. Two numbers left now in the second row for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, we see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the 8 and the 9. 8 and the 9. We see here an 8, no 8 in those two boxes. One box left for the 8 should be there. 2 and the 9 are left. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 9 goes there. One box left in the third row for the number 1. Then 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 1 and 8. 1 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 and 8 is missing. Now we have a 4 there, so this can't be a 4 anymore. This should be a 4. This should be a 5. 5, 5, 4. Well. How about those 3 numbers? 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 3, 7, and the 9. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about those 3 numbers? 8, 3, and the 2 is missing. 8 cannot be here. Should be there. 3 and the 2. 2, 3, and the 9. 2, 3, and the 9. 9 in this column. 9 in the column next. On the last column, the only place for the 9 should be here. 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 3. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 3 goes there. 2 numbers left. The 8 and the 3 now. I cannot fill this yet. How about the 2, 2, 2? Alright. Now we have a 3 there, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be a 3. This should be an 8. 1 box left in this column for the number 8. 3, 3, 3. 1, 1. 5, 5. Now we have an 8 there, so this cannot be 8 anymore. This should be an 8. This should be a 1. Now we have a 1 there, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be a 1. This should be a 9. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place for the 9 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 7 and 3. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the middle row, the only 2 places for the 1 could be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 7, 3. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, and a 7. 4 and a 7. 4 and a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 7 here, so this can be 7 anymore. This should be the 7, and this should be a 3. 2, 2, 3, and a 5. Yes, those missing numbers in the last column, 2, 3, and a 5. 2, 3, and a 5. We see here 2, we see there 5. So no 2 and a 5 in this box. The 2 and a 5 goes in those two boxes. So one box left should be the 3. One box left in this row for the number 8. Two boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. The 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 there, so this can't be 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be the 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this can't be 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be a 4. Finish in 50 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. I like this medium. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, boys and girls, you can also subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the extra Sudokus in the additional. Alright, so see you later. Bye bye for now.